if rental is mortgage, does your rent cover the monthly amortization? So ito nga, tinanong nga ni Jose, one of our followers, no? And again, I'm Lona Junicio, guys. I'm a CPA, a registered financial planner, owner and founder of Pinoy Financial Planning. So ito nga, I have several rental properties, no? Siguro na kaya natanong ni Jose rin, no? Itong question na to. And sasagutin natin yan, no? So, covered ba ng rental, no, yung ating amortization? So ideally, no, yes. So I have several properties na covered naman, no, or mas malaki pa, no, positive cash flow pa tayo. Mas ibig sabihin nun, mas malaki pa yung renta kaysa sa amortization natin. So nangyari yon because of course meron akong property, mas malaki yung deposit ko or down payment ko, kaya medyo maliit na yung loan. Pangalawa, meron akong isang rental din na ang niloan ko naman maliit yung interest. That's why maliit yung amortization niya. So in those instances, guys, medyo nagpa-positive, no, yung ating yung cash flow natin or yung rental natin na tinatawag. So guys, meron naman mga properties din ako na minsan break even lang or neutral, or minsan negative pa, no. So of course, for me, you have to consider minsan if I really like the property, no, I feel the location is good, tataas pa yan, minsan talagang nire-risk ko yan eh. Bakit kanyo? Kasi talagang I believe on, of course, capital appreciation, no. The location is good, no, and talagang nilaban ko yon. So I feel na may capital appreciation yon, kahit minsan sabi ko kahit nga wala akong positive cash flow or wala akong kinikita ngayon, as long for me na nababayaran yung amortization, no, or minsan kahit konti lang dinadagdag ko, 1 to 2,000, para lang, no, mabayaran yon yung monthly amortization, no, sa utang or sa home loan, no. Pero for me, I like the property, and again, I consider also yung possible capital appreciation niya. That's how I evaluate it, no. And of course, for you guys, no, when you do the numbers, when you evaluate, please check din, no, yung mga other dues, like yung, of course, consider mo rin yung mga other expenses, not just the monthly amortization sa bank, no. Yung homeowner fees pag nasa village yan, pag sa condo may mga dues, di ba? You should also consider that, guys. Medyo malaki din yan. Of course, the real estate taxes, yung mga taxes tinatawag, malaki din yan. Repairs, no, yan, importante yan, no. So maybe around 10% of your budget sa repairs yan, maintenance, etc. Taxes, alam mo naman yan, fixed naman yan, di ba? Yung mga dues, fixed yan. At the same time, give also an allowance, no, or magtabi ka for months na hindi ka makakakuha ng renter. So lagi yan usually, no, I usually save up, or kumbaga conservative, mga 20%, no, or around 2 out of 12 months minsan, or 3 out of 12 months yung ating kumbaga